Namaste learners, this is Professor S. Lal from the Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Learners, in today's class, we are here to discuss some aspect of a sphere. And in a sphere, we have to see some practical aspects that are going to help you to understand the sphere factor. So please come here and let us write that what is the general form of the equation of a sphere. Means you have to see the general equation of a general equation of a sphere. You have to see the general equation of a sphere. You know, there is difference between equation, standard equation and general equation. General equation means widely considerable in all aspect of research and investigation. If we talk about a sphere and the result is generalized, so with the help of this result, you can find so many particular results, and this may be further taken for the concept of a standard also. So what is the general equation of a sphere? Please start writing. This is x square plus y square, x square plus y square plus z square plus x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2by, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2by plus 2wz plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0. No, you know, this is the standard form of a, sorry, this is the general form of a equation of a sphere. Means this is the general equation of a sphere, and if you are considering this as equation 1, then you should write further that equation 1 is called general equation of a sphere, in which the coefficient of x square, here is coefficient of x square is 1, and coefficient of y square is 1 and coefficient of z square is 1. Means in general equation of a sphere, the coefficient of x square, y square and z square are always equal, which does not contain the terms x into y, y into z and z into x. This is not containing any term like x, any coefficient of x into y, y into z and z into x. This is the specific characteristic of general equation of a sphere, that the coefficient of x square, y square and z square are always equal, means unity here, and you can't find any coefficient of x into y, y into z and z into x. So students, you are suggested that you should remember that what is the general equation of a sphere, because this is going to play a very vital role in your future study of this topic. And here, I hope you have got it. Thank you very much for listening and enjoying this concept. Thanks a lot.